Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. Well, this is the last day of October, and this will be my last Crocktober dish, although I'm not giving up my crock pot just yet. I sprayed my crock pot, and I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves that I put inside of it. Now in a separate bowl, I'm taking a can of cream of chicken soup. You can also use cream of celery or cream of mushroom soup. And to that soup, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk and mix it up really well. Once I have it mixed up well, I'm just going to pour it over the top of my chicken. Now in another bowl, I'm going to add this package of stovetop stuffing mix. And it said to use a seasoning packet, but this one had it all mixed together. And to that, I'm going to add 1 2/3 cups of water. And I'm just going to mix that really well and spoon it over my chicken. Now my friend Jerry Ellen of Cooking with Neighbor, she made a dish that was very similar to this, but hers had ham in it. And I definitely want to try that one. So be sure and check out her channel and her recipe. I will try to remember to have it linked in my description box down below. After spooning your stuffing mix over your chicken, you want to cover it and cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. And here's what it looks like. It was really very good. My husband really loved it. He loves dressing, and this was right up his alley. And he definitely wants it again. I used to make this a lot a long time ago, and it's one of those dishes you kind of get out of the habit of making. And now I'm just going to spoon it up on a plate, and to round this off, I'm going to have some green beans and some whole kernel corn. And the chicken was so tender. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.